Okay. So those who are submitted, like they'll get some extra marks on these things. So they'll get some extra knowledge also. No issues. In the last session, we have installed the Kali Linux and we have installed some vulnerable server that is a metasploitable to something we have installed. Okay, give me a second, I'll turn on my camera. Yeah. Okay. So does anyone have any doubts in the installing of Kali Linux, metasploitable 2 and the virtual box, anything? Yeah, no issues. You can submit in any format. So in the next time, better it will be if you submitted in a PDF form. Okay. So try to submit in a PDF format. Got it? Yes. Okay. All right. So does anyone have any doubts in the installing of Metasploitable 2 and Kali Linux? Anyone? Hmm? No. Okay. So fine. Give me a second. I'll share the one more link. I think in the last session I have shared the Windows 10 ISO, right? Windows 10 ISO I've shared in the last session. So right now also I'll share the link in the chat box. You can just download that one. Okay, so I'm sharing the link in the chat box. I think in the last session I have shared the link. So everyone please download the link, the application Windows 10. So today we will see how to install the Windows based system in our virtual box. So why we are installing this Windows system in our virtual boxes? So we are in the exploitation modules like Windows exploitation. We are creating some malwares. We are installing a malwares on the virtual box Windows 10 only. So we are not going to install that malwares directly on the a real base like a Windows 7 main operating system, because if anything goes wrong, it will damage the hardware. So that's why we are installing these things in the virtual box only. So everyone please download this one. In the last session also I have shared the link. Okay. So I'll share my screen, I'll show you how to install everything. Okay. So first, go to the virtual box. So here what we have to do. So click on new option. I repeat, click on new option. So here we have to give the name is Windows 10. Remember guys, name is Windows 10 and ensure that type is Microsoft Windows. I repeat, type is Microsoft Windows and the version is Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, Windows 10 64-bit and then click on next. So here we have to provide the RAM and the process. So here I am providing the 2 GB of RAM and the 2 processors I'm giving. Okay, then click on next. So here, as of now, we are doing this. Use an existing virtual hard disk we have created for the Metasploitable 2. But for this, we have to create a virtual hard disk. So remember, it is a virtual hard disk. It's not, we are not taking any memory from the local disk, C drive or HDD, SSD. We are not taking any disk space from the physical device. We are creating a virtual hard disk now. So that I am giving here the 100 GB. If you see here, just a drag, or otherwise you can, if you want, you can type here is a 100 GB. Okay. So up to 2 TB, you can select your space. After this one, ensure, click on next. So check that machine name is Windows 10. Guest OS type is Windows 10 64-bit. Base memory 2 GB we have provided. And the processes, 2 processes we have provided. Okay, disk size 107. If you want to change anything, just go back, change whatever you wish, and come next, finish. That's it. So it's not yet completed now. So we have to do some more settings here. Click on settings option. In Windows 10, we have to click on settings option. So go to the advanced, shared clipboard, drag and drop will be there, right? So at default, it will be disabled one. You have to change it to the bidirectional. Shared clipboard, bidirectional, drag and drop, bidirectional. Okay. then click on OK. Then again open the settings. So go to the system, check if you want to, you can increase the RAM. So go to the process. If you want, you can increase the processor. If you're feeling any difficulty while loading the Windows, you can upgrade the system. So after that, the main thing is you need to remember these are a main important thing. So here we are going to install the operating system. As of now, we are just created one space. Okay, as of now, we are just created a one space. And now we are going to install operating system on that space. Got it? So click on empty here and click on. So here, after clicking on this one, on your right side, we have a symbol of CD symbol will be the CD icon, disk icon will be there. So click on the disk icon and here select choose a disk file. Okay, choose a disk file. So here navigate to like wherever you are downloaded that Windows 10 ISO, navigate to that one. So here it is available in my lab setup. So Windows 10 ISO I'm using. I'll use this one. Then go to the network. So change from NAT adapter to the bridge adapter and click on OK. That's it. So now, just settings only completed, 20% only complete. Just double tap on this one or you can click on the start button. It will start. Okay. So is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So try to do this one. And after this, like whenever you completed this one, let me know. We will go with the installation procedure. So installation procedure, it will be somewhat difficult. So you have to know that one. So first, as of now, just create here. So create a space in the virtual box. Then let me know. Everyone should get like this. Okay. So after this one, we have an installation procedure. Please, if you have any doubts, you can share your screen. I'll help you to install those things. Mandira, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you please give them to this sharing option?
Okay.
Yeah, screen share. Yeah, guys. Anyone have any doubts creating this one? Just create it and let me know, guys. So you should get like this. The settings you have to do. Or anyone have any doubts in the settings and let me know. I'll repeat it one more time. Anyone have any doubts? Or anyone want one more time repetition? Okay. So if it is clear, just you can just install this one. Like just create a space and install the ISO and let me know. I'll explain the installation procedure. Yes, is it completed?
So it is being getting installed.
Okay. Okay. So some of the people has completed this one installation. Okay. So we will enter into the installation. Please clearly observe this one, how to install all these settings. I'll give you the few more minutes for the installation, like creating space in the virtual box. Then we will start this one. Okay. All right. I hope it is created. See, once if you got this Windows setup window, what you have to do? So just ensure the language, it will be a English one. Then click on next option. Okay. So after this, we have to click on the install now. Install now. Remember one thing, guys, you won't get the full screen for this one. See, if it is asking for the Windows activation key, just click on here. I don't have a product key. Okay, remember, I don't have a product key. Just click on this one. And this is a crucial step. You have to take Windows 10 Pro. So don't select the Windows 10 Home and Home single language or thing. Just select the Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so just select the Windows 10 Pro. Hope my screen is sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
So just select the Windows 10 Pro and click on next and accept the license. Click on next. So here, don't select the upgrade, install Windows and keep files and all. Select the custom installation, advanced one. Select the custom installation. So here, OneDrive has been selected, right? So just select that one and click on next. So now it will take some time, like it will take 2 to 5 minutes of time, and it will install the operating system of Windows 10. The same procedure for the normal operating system also. Like if you are installing operating system physically, the same thing. You have to insert a bootable device, which is a disk or a pen drive. So you have to take some selections like how to install like a advanced installation or a normal installation, what you want. Everything you need to select, then you can install. Okay. So if anyone has facing the problems, just let me know. And be cautious, like while installing this one, sometimes it will corrupt the system also. So be cautious. Does anyone has facing any issues with this one installation? Yes. Anyone?
No, sir, not at all.
Okay. I don't have a product key button. Yeah, Navneet, you have to click on the I don't have a product key. Please share your screen, Navneet. It will be easy. I'm stopping my screen. You can share your screen, Navneet. Yeah. So click on skip option. Skip. So if you are getting like this, click on skip. Accept the license. Next. custom installation. Next. That's it. So it will take a few minutes of time and it will install the operating system. Okay. So does anyone have any doubts? Installation of Windows 10? Anyone? I hope everyone is installing. See, one more thing, guys. I want a report like so you have to make an installation report for the Windows 10 also. The Windows version you didn't select? No, you have to select the Windows version on it. So that's why I told you thrice. So you have to select the version Windows only. Otherwise, sometimes it corrupt the operating system. That's it. So after installing that one, you can change the version. That is not a problem. You didn't get an option. No. You will get an option in the virtual box only. You will get. Okay. Just a second. I'll show you my screen. Okay. Navneet, you are telling that if you're not able to select the Windows 10 Pro. Okay, no issues. I have given the 10 Pro only, that one. So the thing I have downloaded is somewhat a different one, which I give you. It is somewhat different. Okay, so no issues. It will be fine. I have given directly Windows 10 Pro only. So if you are getting any these type of things, you can select the Windows 10 Pro. Okay. Anyone have facing any issues? Just let me know, guys. So don't be sit idle. So you can feel free to ask anything about cybersecurity and ethical hacking only. So don't ask any personal things. Okay. Oh, okay. Only 6 months, six guys, like 6 members only submitted the assignment. What about remaining one? Hmm? Yeah, I need an answer. I need your explanation. What happened to you? Only 6 members. Not 6 members. Joshna, Harshit, Mayank Sharma, Yash, Rukesh. So only 5 members are submitted. Hello guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir, loud and clear.
Yeah. So Abhinav, Shirisa, actually I'm currently traveling for a few days. We'll back a few days and do the assignments. So I'll be submitting by end of the year. We had some aspirations I have to work in the weekend. Okay. I think in the last week also I have given the work. So in the last session I have given the just some work only, but in the last week I have given work. You have 1 week of time to submit that one, but you didn't submit it. Okay. Today I'll see. So I'll give you the exactly 1 week. By the next session, you have to submit all the assignments. Otherwise, okay. Okay. So all right. We'll back to the installation. So here we need to select our region. So select here the India. And click on S. Assignment is like whatever we have discussed. So in the first class, we have discussed some introduction to cybersecurity. So what are the types of hackers we know? What are the terminologies? See, whatever we have discussed. So whatever we have discussed, everything I want in a document format. Like you have to make a somewhat a research on that. What is the type of hackers we are having? So what is the cyber kill chain concept? Or phases of ethical hacking? Okay, so what are the policies of organization like this? Whatever we have discussed, I want a in detail a research report on those topics. And in the last session, I have given so installation procedure with the screenshots. So we have installed the Kali Linux and we have installed the Metasploitable too. So I want an installation procedure for both Kali Linux and Metasploitable too. So in the end of the session, like I'll show you how to make these type of reports. I have a student reports are there. I'll show you that reports. So with that reports, you can make your reports. Okay. So is this the right keyboard layout? Select the US keyboard and click on yes. So want to add a second keyboard layer, click on skip. If anyone have facing difficulties, let me know guys. So select for the setup for personal use and click on next. So here it will ask you for the create an account, sign up with the security key. On your bottom left corner, we have a offline account will be there. Okay, we have a offline account will be there. So just click on this offline account and again click on here the limited experience. Okay, so here we have to name your PC. I am naming my PC as Windows 10. So whatever you wish you can give, or if you want to give your name, you can give your name also and click on next. And here I'm giving the password also Windows 10. I'll click on next. So I'll confirm the password Windows 10. So select the security questions. What's your first name? So answer the security questions. Then click on next. So just accept whatever it is asking, just accept it. So accept. So skip. So just accept whatever it is asking. Accept the code or not. Then that's all. So it will set up everything and it will install the software. Anyone have any issues with this Windows 10? Let me know. Anyone? Okay. All right. So hope everyone is installed. So that's it. This is the interface of Windows 10. Okay. So if you have any doubts, if you want to check your IP address, if you are getting internet to this Windows 10 and all, here you can check whether you are getting or not. So network. So you're connected to the internet. So if you want, you can check, go to the CMD command prompt and search for the IP config. So if you are getting an IPv4 address, so that is you are connected successfully, you are connected to the internet. So you are getting internet from your router or mobile hotspot, everything. Okay. So like this, you can check whether the Microsoft Windows 10 is working or not. Okay. So like normal, how we are shutting down is, so like that only we have to shut down this one. So power off, shut down. That's it. Okay. So everyone, please install this Windows 10. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Should I reinstall? It's been stuck at the start of loading. Okay, so it's loading. What about remaining one? Does anyone have any issue with like this? Anyone?
Yes, sir. So my system was getting.
It's loading issue.
Yes, sir. So my system was getting restarted again and again. So I have to just delete the whole from my machine and just creating a new one again.
Okay, so now it's working or still you're facing the same issue?
So now it's being getting loaded again.
Okay, so we'll do one thing here. Screen is not visible, but so everyone, please go to the Chrome and type search for the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Okay, Windows 10 Media Creation Tool will be there. So click on this one. So here we have a Windows 10 Media Creation Tool will be there. So this one you have to download. Click on Download Tool now. So it will start downloading the tool. Okay, it's nearly a 20 MB of tool. So everyone, please download this one. I'm sharing the tool. So copy the link address. We'll be sharing in the chat box. Thank you, systems supporting for that Windows 10 tool. No issues. We will install this one. Okay, so everyone, please download that one. So after downloading that one, so just click on this tool. So we will install this tool. So if it is asking for yes or no, just click on yes. For the security purposes, it will ask you the yes or no. So here you need to select an ISO. It will generate an ISO. It will make an ISO file for you. It will automatically download to your downloads. So no issues. Just install this one and open it and select the things. That's it. So just read the policies, everything. So go to the end and accept the license. So here we have two options are there. So never click on this upgrade the PC now. So if you click on this one, automatically if you are using a Windows 11, it will degrade the ISO, like it will degrade the operating system to the Windows 10. So do not click on this one, create an installation media. So second option you need to select. So that is a create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ASO file for another PC, and click on next. So here it is asking the which language or which edition you want, everything. So just click on next. Use the default setting, just click on next. USB flash drive or ISO file it is asking. So select the second option. Okay, select the second option, that is a ISO file. So do not select the USB flash drive. Otherwise, you have to insert a USB flash drive into your system. Then only it will be work. Okay, so then click on next. So here it is asking to where I have to save the ISO file. So here what I'm doing is I'm saving this one in the hacking. Here I'm saving this one. Click on save. So it will start making the Windows 10 ISO. It will take some time. It will make a ISO file to it. Got it? Yes. Anyone have any doubts? So whoever is getting the any lagging issues or loading issues, so please download this Windows 10. This is it clear?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So if anyone have any doubts, just share your screen and I'll let you know. Or if you want, I'll explain it one more time also. Okay. Again, I'll explain. So first, whenever you downloaded this one, just click on this tool, media creation tool, and it will ask you the administrative privileges, yes or no. Click on yes. So accept the license, go to the end and accept it. So here select the installation, create installation media. Okay. So and then click on next. So use the default settings, or otherwise you just uncheck on this one. You can select which version you want, everything, 32-bit, 64-bit, everything. If you use the recommended options for this PC, it will create a one thing. So then click on next. So here you need to select the ISO file. Remember guys, you have to select only ISO file. Do not select the USB flash drive, ISO file. So then click on next. So select one folder and it will save on that drive. So here I'm selecting one folder, I'm saving this file. That's it. So it will make a ISO file to you. Got it? Anyone have any doubts still? Yes, anyone have any doubts?
No, sir. For now.
Okay. So please install this one. I already have this one, so I don't want to do. Yeah. So after this one, just to make a report of it, how we are installing. So how we have downloaded the media creation tool. So how to install, how to create a Windows 10 ISO. First thing. Okay. After creating the ISO file, how to create a space in a virtual box. After creating the space, how to install the Windows 10. What is the step-by-step procedure? You have to make a step-by-step procedure. I think I have that one. Students thing I have. I'll let you know. I don't have. Okay, no issues. I think in the mail I have. Give me a second, I'll share it. So meanwhile, everyone please install that one. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, so everyone install, right? Now I'll show you how to make a report of that one. Yeah. See, this is the installation of VM virtual Kali Linux. So like they have just created a line by line, but actually you have to make a screenshots also, like how you are doing. Okay, so how we are creating. So if you take a screenshot, it will be easy to understand look what you are accessing. So being an ethical hacker, so you have to take a POC. POC is nothing but a proof of concept. Getting my point? Proof of concept. With that proof of concept, so you can communicate with the client clearly because the client doesn't know about anything about cybersecurity. You have to do spoon feeding to the client. Okay, you have to make a complete detailed report with the screenshots. They only just make a list of like what we have to install, how we install, everything like this only they are mentioned. Okay, so is it clear? So like this you have to make, but here before of every step you have to take a screenshot of that. So download the Kali Linux file. Okay, so you have to mention from where you have to download that one, kali.org. Which one you have to select? VirtualBox only you have to select. So everything you have to mention. And clearly mention how they are doing everything. So it's one of my student one. I will go with another one. Installation process. These guys also not understand. Okay, so here they have provided the web they have downloaded. Okay, some links they have provided. So like this, you have to provide the links and screenshots. So it will be easy to understand what you are explaining. Got my point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubts with this report making? So I need a complete report, guys. Report. I think I have some company reports also there. Okay. I'll show you how to make a report. So actually they made a project on SQL injection, but like this only you have to make a report. So first they mentioned first step. Okay, so step by step process for each and every step you have to take a screenshot. So with this one you can easily understand what you are actually explained. So the installation procedure also, like you are installing a Kali Linux, so you have to mention the each and every step clearly. So what is the first step? So first we have to visit the virtual box and you have to download the virtual box and you have to take a screenshot of the virtual box. For taking the screenshot, I'll prefer screenshot application. I'll give it to you. So it will be easy. Even penetration testers also use this one to highlight the things. So even if I report any bug bounty, so I'll use this one only to highlight the things and all. So just to download now. And here you have to select the latest stable version. I'll send this link in the chat box. So please download this one. And with this one, you can, so after installing this one, so it will be there in this one. I'll show you. So here it is available. Okay. So if I want to take a screenshot here, just I'll click on this one. I'll capture the region here. So click on capture region. So just like a drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. So just after taking this one, open in image editor. Okay, open in image editor. So here you can edit if you want to highlight only the project one.docs. So on your left side, we have a different shapes will be the circular, rectangle, everything. So here, whatever you wish, you just select and highlight that. So it will be easy to understand like, okay, so this is the highlighted part, or this is the vulnerability, or this is the major step in this entire screenshot. So like that, they can understand what you are explaining. Getting my point? What I'm saying? Yes. So everyone please
Yes, sir.
install this screenshot application. It's a default installation only. No need to worry anything. And like this only, you have to highlight the each and every crucial step. Okay, if you visit the virtual box, okay, so what you will highlight in the virtual box. So just provide this link virtual box. Okay, so after this one, you have to highlight this one. So whenever you click on this one, it will start the download. Okay, so here you need to select the Windows source so that you have to highlight this part. Okay, so here you can select whatever your operating system. If it is your operating system is a Windows based system, click on Windows host. Mac system, Mac host. So like this, you need to click on, you need to select the thing. After this one, go to the kali.org. So in the kali.org, so click on the download button. So whenever you got this one, so you have to highlight this download button. So click on this download button and it will be redirect to the downloads. And again, you have to highlight this virtual machine. Okay. Again, you highlight this virtual box, click on download. So then only it will be downloaded, right? So like this only you have to make a report. So each and every step you have to take a screenshot and you have to highlight this one. So same for the Metasploit tool too. The same for the, what about this Windows 10? Got it? Anyone have any doubts with this one? Yes. Yeah, that is your today's assignment. In the next class, I'll send you the note. I'll send you. I'll ask you in the class. You have to share your screen and you have to show me that report what you have done. Okay. See, once you enter into the cybersecurity, you should be an expert in the report making. So without the report making skills, you can't do anything. So even we have some client reports are there, but it's like we have an NDS. That's why I'm not showing you the client reports. So even if we made the client report, you will like ensure like we will import like a, so we'll mention each and every point in detail. So that even a starting like who is starting now is cyber kiddy, like the script kiddies are there. So they can also install what are the vulnerabilities are there, what are the remediations for that one. So how to, what are the steps to reproduce these vulnerabilities. So like this you can show. So these are the some vulnerabilities like we have found in the real-time web application. Like this is a client website. That's why I'm not showing you. So these are the first round and second round reports. These are the things. So what is the today's assignment? Can you tell me one more time? Yeah. So you have to make a report on today's what we installed today. Windows 10 we are installed. So you have to make a report on how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. How to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. Got it? So that is the thing you have to make. Got my point? Anyone have any doubts about today's assignment? Am I audible?
No, sir, no doubt.
Yeah. Only one guy is responding. What about remaining one? Okay, all right. Okay, guys. So that is for today's session. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up this session. So remember, like this only you have to make a report. So this is the step one. So have to write some description, and on screenshot you have to highlight the major part. So here we have highlighted. We are using the dustbuster. That's why we are highlighted that. Like this only you have to mention. Okay. All right. Is that clear?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So after completing the internship, how to get a job? See, how to get a job? Like, so you're already graduated? Are you graduated? Yes. Hello, yes, yeah. So on which branch? Like you are from cybersecurity branch or a CSC department or any other department? BSc. So no issue. Like even non-technical people also getting the job. See, even the inter people also like whoever is completed just +2, they're also getting jobs in the cybersecurity. But the only thing is, so you have to increase your skill. Okay, so you should be an expert in any one of the platform. So or ethical hacking. If you are interested in ethical hacking, you should be an expert in the ethical hacking. Or a web application penetration tester, you should be an expert in the web pen tester. So at least you should be an expert in one domain. Definitely you'll get a job with some communication skills. That's it.
Sir, may I say
Yeah.
something, please, if you don't mind?
Yes, yes.
Sir, yes, I'm also a graduate, 2023. I'm passed out. So, but the point is, for the past year, I've been applying, but the issue is, I've been applying on many different platforms, but somewhere so most of the companies are asking for exam certificates like CCNA, CEH.
Yes.
So there's the issue. So what I really wanted to know, sir, these certificates, sir, did they really matter at a current time? Since most of the companies, they are like, if you have the certificate, then you can apply, and even they are ready to hire a fresher. Doesn't matter when they get graduated. But if you are having the certificate, it's like CCNA, CEH, they are ready to hire you.
Yeah, but why they are asking these type of certifications? Like, see, all the organizations, corporate organizations know that. So whatever they are teaching in the colleges, institutions, and the universities, there's nothing. So it cannot be helped after the graduation. It's nothing. So that's why they're asking these type of certification. If you have the skill, they won't ask you the certification. I'll tell you the one real example. It's my lifetime example. I don't have the CA certification still. Still, I don't have a CA certification, and this is my fifth job in my cybersecurity. I have a 3 years of experience. When I was applying for the first company, I got selected in my third year. So third year of the graduation, I got selected for the organized cybersecurity company as a junior security analyst. So with mine, 60 plus students are applied, like the 60 plus employees are applied for that one. So those are 60 candidates having the CEH, some people having the OSCP certification also. But the thing is, so when it comes to the practical interview, so 3 rounds I have cleared. The first one is exam. So I said that one, I have no certification at that time. So like my parents paying for the college, so I don't want to stress them to pay for the certification also. I don't have any certification. So just give me a chance, I can prove myself. So they have conducted me an exam. I have qualified the exam. Then they have taken a technical interview. So I attempted that interview. Then the third round will be the practical one. So they have provided some servers, some vulnerable servers. So you have to find a vulnerability in the server and you have to make a report of that vulnerability. So First thing is, so if you have found more than three vulnerabilities, you will be the majority. At least minimum three vulnerabilities you have to find in a vulnerable server. If any one of the competitor, like some students will be there, those are applied for the same job. If they find five, so they will be the first priority. So at that time, I have found 9 vulnerabilities on the server, and I made a report within a 4 hours. So it will take a 4 hours attempt. So that interview totally from morning 9 to evening 6. So 4 hours it will took me to complete that one. So after that, I got in a job. The only thing is a skill. If you have the skill, they won't ask you the certification. Certification is just like assuring them, so they have some knowledge about these things. If you prove yourself in the interview, it will be fine. See, it is an MNC company. It is necessary to have a CH certification or a CompTIA security plus any one of the global certification. But in the startup companies, they won't ask you for any certification. They need a skill. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So better, like if you are a graduated, better to apply for the startup companies. So if you want to apply for these type of MNCs like TCS, Google, Microsoft, at least. So CES certification also a basic certification. Do you know some companies they won't hire if you have the CES certification? CES certification is only applicable for some companies only. Some companies they don't even hire you if you have the CES certification. They clearly mention that one. I have seen this one in a two job application. They have clearly mentioned that one. So if you have the CES certification, don't apply this job. So like this they have mentioned. Okay.
Yes, sir. So because of some, sorry to interrupt you, sir. Sorry.
Sorry.
No, sir. Please carry on. Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Yes. And so if you want to continue for the defensive side, so the best certification is a CompTIA security plus. Okay. With the you have at least you have some CH knowledge. So after the CH only you can complete the CompTIA security plus. For everything, if you want to continue on cybersecurity career, so the thing is ethical hacking is the basic one. So after the ethical hacking, pen testing, network pen testing, Android pen testing. If you want to go to the defensive side of CompTIA security plus cybersecurity analyst plus EA plus network plus, these are the things are there. CCNA for the network engineers and all. Okay. So can you name some startups where we can apply with a minimum experience? Rishikesh, how can I say that one? Like, so just connect me in the LinkedIn if I have any internship offers. Like, if some HRs will ask me if you have any referrals, so at that time I'll share your names and all. Just connect me in my LinkedIn. Okay, if I
Sir,
have
with all
anything
due,
else. Hmm?
sorry to say, sir, with all due respect, sir, please share your LinkedIn ID or sir, please.
Okay. So, we already have it. So that is the name of this. Give me a second. All right, I have shared my LinkedIn profile in the chat box. Just you can connect me. Skill only matters. The certifications is just a trash of paper. Like even the CH also after 3 years it will be expired. So you have to renewal that one. Thing is, just do work hard and learn new skills. Definitely you'll get a job. Okay. Anyone have any doubts in cybersecurity or today's concept? Yes. Anyone have any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So if you don't have any doubts, we'll wind up the session. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. So Mandira.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you guys for joining.